What if an animal could cheat death and live forever? Meet the immortal jellyfish. When this tiny creature gets old, injured, or even starved, it can completely reverse its life cycle. Its cells transform, and the jellyfish turns back into its younger polyp stage, essentially starting life all over again. Scientists call this process transdifferentiation, where adult cells change into completely different cell types. In theory, this means the immortal jellyfish can repeat this cycle endlessly, making it one of the only animals on Earth that may never truly die.